Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast on Chart Empire Trading Institute for April 29th to 3rd of May 2024. This week I have the GBP paired against USD, EURUSD, AUDUSD, GBP Canada and XAU paired against the USD Gold on my watch list next week. Before we start this weekly Forex forecast, make sure you are trading on a reliable, transparent, trustworthy broker that provides accessibility to a wide range of assets, offers a low spread and an easy trading platform. Are you interested in seeing my broker recommendation? Check the link down below. Last week, members of our trading community and I took long trades on Canada Switch and short trades on GBP Canada as I forecasted in the previous weekly Forex forecast. Both positions were profitable. Some have closed their trades, while swing traders like me trailed some profit and held on to our positions. This is one of the benefits of being a member of our trading community. Are you interested in joining us today? Link down below. GBPUSD price retested the 12th April 2024 broken key level on Friday at 1.25183. After the bullish test, the price resulted in a bearish outside bar. A strong bearish follow through below the low of the bearish outside bar in the coming week would suggest a bearish continuation of this downtrend. A daily bearish follow-through candlestick would invalidate the inverted head and shoulders present on the 4-hour chart. Alternatively, a strong bullish candlestick close above the high of the bearish outside bar pattern plus the key level at 1.25183 would suggest a high possibility of the price testing the descending trend line detected from the high of 1.28964 on the 8th of March 2024. To be sincere, this would be my preferred zone to look for a short entry based on the strong technicalities spotted above. The 61.8% Fibonacci level, strong bearish order block zone, retest of double top neckline zone, which is obvious on the intraday chart, that is the 4-hour chart, descending trend line zone, and lastly a better point for traders using the 50-period moving average. Are you interested in seeing my fundamental and technical approach to the GBP USD weekly forex forecast next week? Join my Telegram group, link down below. EURUSD price retested the broken key level at 1.07243 on Friday. After the bullish retest, the price resulted in a bearish outside bar. A strong bearish follow through below the low of the bearish outside bar in the coming week would suggest a bearish continuation of this downtrend. A daily bearish follow through candlestick would invalidate the rising channel active on the 4-hour chart. Alternatively, a strong bullish candlestick close above the high of the bearish outside bar pattern plus the key level at 1.07243 could result in a liquidity sweep. I prefer a stronger confluence zone for a short entry based on the strong technicalities spotted above. That is the 61.8% Fibo level, strong bearish order block at this zone, retest of double top neckline zone, which is obvious on the intraday chart, that is the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart, descending trend line zone, and lastly a better point for traders using the 50-period moving average. Are you interested in seeing my fundamental and technical approach to the EURUSD weekly forex forecast next week? Join my Telegram group, link down below. AUD paired against the USD. My short limit order on AUD USD was triggered on Friday at the tip of the obvious double top neckline on the 4-hour chart. My decision was based on additional confluence factors I spotted at this zone. I didn't disclose this in the trading community because the bull swing on the 4-hour chart is yet to be obliterated, although I am currently in a small profit. In times of risk management, I got in with 1/4 of my initial trading position size and I have traded some stop loss to break even. Next week, a strong daily bearish candlestick close below the Friday bar will confirm the breakout of the 4-hour rising trend line. Be watchful of the recent key level support at 0.64814. Alternatively, a strong bullish candlestick follow through above the Friday candlestick would suggest a possible test of the key level at 0.66453. Are you interested in seeing my fundamental and technical approach to the AUDUSD weekly forex forecast next week? Join my Telegram group, link down below. GBP Canada. I won't talk much about GBP Canada. The forex forecast I shared in the previous weekly forex forecast is still active on this currency pair. Members in my trading community are currently in a short position with some profit. Our entries were detected on the 1-hour chart. The first short limit entry was right here, the second spotted here, and the third at this retest. Next week, I anticipate more short swing to the key level support at 1.69211. Alternatively, a strong bullish close above Thursday's bearish pin bar would signal a higher possibility of failure in this short setup. Are you interested in seeing my fundamental and technical approach to the GBP Canada weekly forex forecast next week? Join my Telegram group, link down below. XAU paired against the USD, that is the gold. I never planned to discuss gold, but I have to based on the massive requests I received daily from traders in the commodity market. I emphasized in my daily market analysis that gold could navigate through an overlapping medium. I have emphasized this for almost 2 weeks based on the strong bearish reversal bar spotted on the 12th of April 2024. A strong bearish close below the 2,300 price level could open the door for an aggressive short to the 2,195 price level. The failure of a strong bull hold at 2,195 could open the next aggressive bearish swing to the major key level at the 2,069 price level. Alternatively, a strong bull follow through above the peak of 2,431 would suggest a high potential continuation of the existing bull rally on gold. Also, it is important to blend our technical setup with geopolitical factors that may influence our trading decisions. Are you interested in seeing my fundamental and technical approach to the gold weekly forex forecast next week? Join my Telegram group, link down below. Position disclosure. I am short on GBP Canada and AUDUSD. I am long on Canada Switch. I am holding DJT stocks. I hold some LPT altcoin and I have speculative positions on LPT altcoin. Some profit have been booked on both speculating and holding position on LPT. I shared all in the Chart Empire trading community apart from the AUDUSD and LPT due to the risky nature of the setup detected. Are you interested in seeing my broker recommendation for holding or speculating cryptos and stocks? Or you might be interested in more market analysis in the forex, crypto, commodity, stocks and index market? Check the links down below. That is all in this weekly forex forecast. Looking forward to seeing you in the next weekly forex forecast. Ensure proper risk management in your trading decisions. Peace.